Don't use paid AI tools for creating images. Because friends, in today's video, I am going to tell you about such a free AI tool with which you can create such AI images. And the good thing is that at the end of the video, I will also tell you how you can earn your first $1 online using these AI images with proof. So stay till the end of the video, let's get started. Friends, the name of this tool is Playground. You might have used it before, but I would like to tell you that there is already more. So far, there have been numerous changes and improvements in it. In order to use it, you need to visit playground.com. Then, we will sign in here using our Google account by clicking on the Get Started button. Here you can see how many amazing images people have created of different types. If we look at the pricing of this tool, you can see that we can create daily 50 images here apart from this. You can also use them commercially. But before that, some important settings. Here you can select different presets from the presets, which will define your image style. In aspect ratio, you can generate images for different sizes. For example, to generate images for a YouTube video, I select 16:9 ratio. You can also create an image from another image, but it can't detect faces yet. For the rest of the normal images that do not contain any person, such as nature images, it can create them easily. Then, from this point, you can select the number of images according to your needs. If you click on Expand Prompt, it will either improve your original prompt or make some changes to it. So, for now, I'll keep it on. If I don't like the results, then I will turn it off. After this, you can select the model of your choice by clicking on the model, and if you don't do so, then it will be selected by itself. And lastly, if you keep the option of private session on, then only you will be able to see your images. Sorry guys, you have waited a long time for the image. So let's create the image without any delay. Here is my first prompt, robot playing cricket with 22 years old boy. Then we will click on create, and in a few seconds it generated our images. You can also create different variations of this image by clicking on create variation here. Additionally, you can download the images by clicking on the download icon here. After this friends, I wrote another prompt which was a rustic village scene bathed in the ethereal glow of a heavenly realm, from which I got some truly great images. Following that friends, I would like to tell you about another fantastic feature, which is Creative Upscale. You will find this feature on the top left corner of the image. You can upscale your image by clicking here. By the way friends, after this I generated many different images by writing different prompts, the output of which I got was something like this. If you want, you can keep these images in your gallery, but there will really no benefit from that, and you do not have to do this either. Create an account on Adobe Stock and upload them there. I tried to experiment like this, uploaded 5-6 photos, and one day I got an email like this. You can also read it by pausing it. So I came to know that if someone is consistent in this, then there is an opportunity here too. I am not asking you to invest money or buy a course or click on any link. All I can do is that if you want, I can make a detailed video on this, that how to create an account on Adobe Stock, how to write the title of the image, how to upload the image. There's one more thing that many people will also say, that why are you not doing it yourself, do it yourself. So I would like to tell, how can one person do everything? I can make videos. I like making videos, so I am making them. Maybe someone likes his work, he likes creating images, so I am telling for them. By the way, do you know about such an AI tool in the field of AI image creation, which along with creating images can also write text on them? If not, then definitely click on the video on the left, and if you find this video informative, then like, comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. Be the part of the journey. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to check out my channel.